Hard Rock is a massive global entertainment company. Hard Rock is a place where people go to have fun. I'm Andre Gowens. I'm Vice President in IT here at Hard Rock. I lead the advanced technology areas for Hard Rock globally. With the many lines of businesses that we have, that means every line of business has their own technology and pockets of customer data all over the world. Before Oz, the experience for our customers was very fragmented. Oz has helped us develop in this new loyalty program. With Unity, we've connected no less than 10,000 systems, which gives my customers a single, seamless experience. Oz has delivered amazing quality resources. Management team, their team supports me very well. Developers, engineers, testers, and they have great rates and great fees. Oz has helped us stitch together the entire world of Hard Rock. We've seen incredible results.